is Aubrey Fetrow, and I'm a student support specialist at Newberry Elementary School. I wanted to become a student support specialist because I enjoy working with kids and getting to know them. My favorite moments are every time I walk in, they're always like, "Good morning, Miss Aubrey," and they're just really excited to see me. Usually start off, I just come in and we do morning meeting and stuff, and then we'll do word works where they work in their English book and learn how to spell, and then we'll do some math, and then it's time to go home. I help them if they have any questions on how to make a letter or say something or how to just do anything. Just knowing your patients and where the kids are, how to work with them.
Hi, I'm Jessica Pines. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at Newberry. It's fun seeing how the kids react to having a other student in their class, and they're shocked to hear that she's in 12th grade. A lot of them thought with her being here, she was actually my daughter, which was kind of funny. And I was like, nope, I just knew her since she was little. So it is fun. It's full circle because she actually would come down in 5th grade and help out with the students. And now with her coming back in 12th. I love it. It's great seeing how they grew and matured into their own personalities and how they were back when they were little to now being soon to be grown up and graduating into the real world. It actually is really great because it does relieve some pressure on me in that time to where I'm able to do a lot more one-on-one with the students and pull and do some progress monitoring and really give them that extra core that they really need. I have her pull the students and work on writing their name the correct way because a lot of the kids, when they come in, they just write all in uppercase letters, which is a lot easier format for them to start, and then we work on writing the true proper way. So she's been working on their names as well as having them be able to count to 100 consecutively, as well as helps with our word works and our math and our science program, social studies.
I plan on going to HAC and working on my general ed courses.